You're amazing.
What? Me?
And you too, Rangi. I've never been so glad to hear your haparangi.
Yes, Josh, that was fast thinking. How did you know the fire would keep them back?
Well, they only came out after the sun went down. And they don't really have windows. And the glowing slime? I'm sure it's phosphorescence. You know, it helps sea creatures see in the dark. Anyway, I figured they'd hate bright light. And Rangi, you and Toro are so fast at making fire.
To beat these sea vampires, we need a plan. A clever one.
Sea vampires? This place just keeps getting more awesome. And you're sure it's your godstick?
I saw it. I know its every curve and groove.
If we can work out why they need it, maybe we can work out how we get it back.
You mean go back to their village?
So you're going to help us then?
It's not like I know how to get home anyway.
Knowing is half the battle. At night, in the moana, they are strong. When they return before daybreak and Tamanui Tera rises, then we have a chance. They're building something.
How does our godstick help them? Rangi!
Whoa! How did you learn to move like that?
Like what? Hey, big eyes!
Whoa! Yo! Scaly Bum!